students, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Please stay at home and save life. Today I am going to teach the lesson number 5, Algebraic expression and identities. Before already I taught you exercise 5.1 from the lesson Algebraic expression and identities. 5.1 already I finished before, and in that exercise already I taught you how to do the addition and subtraction with algebraic expression. Now exercise 5.2 I am going to teach you how to do the multiplication with algebraic expression. Suppose if the terms are monomial, for example 3x into 4. 3x into 4, how multiply? 3 4 are 12, then x here nothing is there, that means x. For example 5x into 5y, then 5 5 are 25, x into y means xy. Like this way the monomial terms will multiply. But if the terms are binomial terms, but already you know what is monomial, what is binomial, what is trinomial, what is polynomial. Already I taught you before when I started that chapter. Now binomial terms, for example, suppose if you are going to multiply 3x plus y into twice x plus 5y, for example. Now first with 3x will multiply this one, so 3x into twice x plus 5y, then plus y into twice x plus 5y. Now 3 into 2 means 6, x into x means x square, here plus into plus means plus, 3 into 5 means 15, xy means xy, plus y into x means xy, that means 2xy, plus into plus 5, y into y means y square. That means you will get 6x square plus here 15xy means plus 15xy plus 2xy. That means plus into plus means plus. So 15 plus 2 means 17xy plus 5y square. This will be your answer. Similarly, like this, one more question. Suppose 3x minus 5 into x minus 8. So how to multiply this one? You see, first 3x into x minus 8 minus 5 into x minus 8. Then after that you see 3x into x means 3x square, here plus minus, plus into minus is minus, 3 8 are 24, x minus 5x, minus into minus means plus, 5 8 are 40, then 3x square minus 24x minus 5x, minus into minus plus, but before the greater sign what? Before the greater number what sign? Minus sign. So write here minus 29x plus 40. So you see your question exercise 5.2. In that exercise question number 1 all the monomial terms will multiply, and question number 2 all the binomial terms means will multiply. First question number 1 is going to multiply the following. I solve like this way, you can solve yourself with the remaining one. Question number 2 like this way, questions are there, remaining one you can solve. Now I am going to show you question number 3. Simplify the following. Simplify the following means how to solve. Here you see, simplify the following. First question it is given 3xy into 4x minus 5y plus 3x square y. You see in this question how to solve this one. I have written already the question, that means what? Solution 3xy into 4x minus 5y plus 3x square y. Now we will multiply 3 4 are 12, x into x square, then y, here minus here plus, plus into minus minus, 3 5 are 15, x, y into y square plus 3x square y. Now you will see in the slide here 12x square y minus 15x y square plus 3x square y. So here x square y, x square y. That means these two are like terms. So like terms means we will do plus minus. Here you see before 12 plus sign, here also plus sign. That means plus into plus plus. So we write 12x 12 and here 3. 12 plus 3 means how much? 15. 15x square y minus 15x y square. Now you see from these two what we can take common? We can take here common 15 first. Here also 15, here also 15. 15. X square means what? X into x. And here also x is there. So we can take x common. Here y square. We can take y common. So since you have taken here x common, so one more x will remain here. Here one more y. Again if you multiply, you will get the same thing. So this will be your answer. Like this way, the remaining one you can solve from question number 3. Now we see question number 4 and question number 5. I'll just give you hints. Question number 4, it is given, find the area of a rectangles with the following length and breadth. So here length and breadth is given first question. Suppose here is given 3x comma twice y. So we know that the area of a rectangle formula means what? Length into breadth. First one is given length. That means what? Your here length means what? 3x and breadth means what? Twice y. So area will be what? Length into breadth. That means 3x into twice y. 3 to the 6. X y into xy. This will be your answer. In question number 4, all the questions are given. Find the area of a rectangle with the following length and breadth respectively. Like this way questions are given. It's very easy. You can solve yourself. Question number 5, it is given, find the volume of a rectangular box whose length, breadth and heights are given. So we know that the area of a rectangular box formula means what? Length into breadth into height. Volume of a rectangular box means what? Length into breadth into height. So you will see when you open your book, you will see in question number 5, first question, three parts are given. Suppose first question is given 9xy, 2y square, 5x cube. Means 9xy will be your length, then 2x square will be your breadth, and 5x cube will be your height. Then volume of the rectangular box equal to what you write? Formula volume V equal to length into breadth into height. After that the respective values will put and will calculate. Simple multiplication you will do, you will get your answer. Then you see question number 6 and 7. 6 and 7. 6 is very easy. 6 is very easy means what? The cost of a chocolate is given rupees twice x plus y. Means in terms of x it is given. And number of chocolate is given 2 into x plus twice y. So then total amount of money. Number of chocolate is given 2 into x plus twice y. And cost of the chocolate is given twice x plus y. And total amount of money how to find? You will multiply both, you will get your answer. Then question number 7 is very interesting question. I'll just give you hints, you will be able to solve yourself. Here you see one rectangular garden is given. Rectangular garden. So all of you know that the rectangle means area of a rectangle means what? Length into breadth. Suppose this is your rectangular garden. Here length is given 10 meter. 10 meter. And breadth is given 8 meter. So across the rectangular garden, one road is there. This side, that side, this all one road is there. Like this way. Okay? One road whose weight is given what? X meter. Surrounded the rectangular garden. Surrounded the rectangular garden. You are going to find the area of the road. Area of the road. So, how to find the area of the road? I'll give you hints only. I'm not going to solve. You will solve yourself. If I'll give you hints, it will be easy for you to solve. Now you see, first you find out the area of the rectangular garden. So rectangular garden area means length into breadth means what? 10 into 8 means 80. 80 meter square, finish. Now the new length, what means what? From this point to this point is your 10 meter. Now width of the road is given here x. This part is x. This side also x. So x plus x is what? Twice x. plus 10. That means new length will be your twice x plus 10. Similarly, in case of breadth, this part is your x, this part also your x. So x plus x is twice x and plus 8. So breadth will be twice x plus 8. Now, with using the new length and new breadth, first we'll find out the area of the whole figure. Whole figure area will find out. After that, whatever the area we'll get from that area, we'll subtract this area of the rectangular garden. Then we'll get the area of the road. And that will be your answer. You will solve when the school will reopen. I'll check your copies. Thanks.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum hong ye kamyab. Jai Hind.